So for this video po, we will have another example on differential calculus. If you remember yesterday, yung example po natin ay parang magkaparehas po yung kanyang mukha. However, take note, yung kahapon po ay ganito yun, no? Yan, plus 9. Pero, yung raised to 3 ay kasama si ln. Ngayon, yung raised to 3 po niya ay nandito lang po sa 5x squared plus 9. So, iba yung approach po dito. Yung approach dito, yung ginawa natin kahapon, approach ngayon ay magkaiba. Dito ay diretso na po natin yung ating gamitin na derivative of ln. Yung ganito. Diretso na po natin gamitin si derivative of ln u, okay, is equal to 1 over u du. So, ang u po natin dito ay itong si 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3. So, we have here ln u. So, ln u, the derivative of ln u is 1 over u du. So, isulat natin siya 1 over u. So, lagyan natin f prime of x is 1 over u. So, ang u natin is 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3. Okay, tapos the derivative of our u, which is the 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3. So if we will take the derivative of 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3, okay, gagamitin natin yung ating power rule, which is the u to the n. Okay, that will be n times u, n minus 1 du. So, second, ito, so, alin dito yung ating u? Ang ating u na naman dito ay itong nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is si 5x squared plus 9. At ang ating n ay si 3. So, ang gagawin natin, copy lang po muna natin yan. Okay, so 1 over 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3. Tapos, ito siya, gagawin natin n times u raised to n minus 1 du. So, yung n natin is si 3. Okay, so lagay natin dito 3. Tapos yung u, si 5x squared plus 9. Tapos, n minus 1. n natin is 3 minus 1 is 2. Tapos, derivative of our u, yung function na nasa loob ng ating parenthesis. Okay? Ayan siya. So, ang gagawin natin this time, copy natin ito lahat. Ito at saka ito. So, copy muna natin times 3, okay, times 5x squared plus 9 squared. Tapos, the derivative po of 5x squared ay magiging 5 times 2. It will become 10. Copy natin si x. Itong 2 minus 1 is 1. The derivative of a constant is 0. So, plus 0. So, simplify po natin yung ating answer. 3 times 10x is 30x. Tapos, copy po natin ito. 5x squared plus 9 squared. Tapos, itong ating denominator, 5x squared plus 9 raised to 3. Take note, as you can see po, meron po tayong magkaparehas, 5x squared plus 9, 5x squared plus 9. Dito ay raised to 3, dito ay raised to 2. So, makancel po natin, matatanggal yung dalawa, at ito po ay matatanggal yung 3, meaning isa na lang po, okay? Mare-replace po siya ng 1. So, our final answer is 30x all over 5x squared plus 9.